Alrighty guys, today I'm going to go meet up with my buddy Weston. We're going to do a little fishing. I think one of our main goals today is white bass, so hopefully we can get in a few of those. Their spawn is on. We know they're up in some of the creeks, so I'm going to try to get after them. If that don't work out, we may, I don't know, drive until we find some fish, and hopefully we'll catch some. I don't know, so stay tuned. Alright, I answered that. Hold that crappie up. That's insane. That thing is huge, dude. That's as big as that white. He smoked it. He's got a gut. Thank God Weston's here. He's catching some fish. We ain't getting any of the hook sets. There's two more. That was so annoying. Thank you, Lord. Holy crap, I'm getting frustrated. These stupid fish. We went all over God's green earth, and we're just finding white bass suspended.
Oh,
He's chasing it.
Chased it. Shoot.
Bruh. How you chase that, you run from what I got. I don't know where I am.
Right on it. Right on
it. They're like barely grabbing the tail, man. That's gotta be crappie or something. That's so annoying. It's like I can just barely feel them, like have the hold of it, you know, on some of those. Now, a couple of them, they fucking throttled it. That sucked.
You might need to pull the bait off, cut the front of the bait down so the tail's shorter so they have to grab the pole.
Yeah. Well, like those, I bet that was probably a pretty big crappie, would be my guess.
Oh, that one I thought was bad.
Yeah.
Where's this thing? Something little. Really? What? How? Maybe I can make some of this.
He said, yeah, no. That looks interesting. Maybe they'll be shallow enough we can get to them quickly. And as we get closer, they get deeper.
I think it's really because they feel the trouble. control the motor. But then if you don't, then you'll never catch up to them.
Go to the left. It did. Yeah, I mean, we did better than last time, but... Or you have. I've still caught in a moss.
That crappie made it worth coming up. Love it.
Yeah, that was a nice crappie.
Crappie. 4 of those, and that'd be an awesome.
We take a picture, act like we know what we're doing.
We didn't throw anything that was under the crappie.
Drop 14. We're racing for it. At least they're only a few foot.
You're right on. Did you not hit that?
Yeah, I mean, I can't tell. No, it's a white. Yeah. What you know about them? You're like, did he hit that? I'm like, I have no idea. We're running at him. Like, Jesus. I think not only are we going at them, they were swimming at us.
Probably has the whole time.
Yeah. Oh, there's like no water in here. Nice. You just chasing some, or? Dang, the dog is shit out of me. They're just like groups of 2 or 3 of them running together. Dude, these are some like really big ones.
Yeah, I don't know if they're hybrid too.
Like I find a group of 2, 3 swimming. Oh, let's see. White. Oh, there's a group right there. Yep. What is it? Oh my goodness. That's a pretty nice one. Well, what are you throwing? That's what I was like. On the white. Not how I thought we were going to catch him today.
Yeah.
Gotta be honest with you. He bit like a crappie and gave like no fight. that group get away.
They shot down.
They were pretty deep. I got real lucky to get it down to them.
That's a white or a big one. Whoa.
Hybrid, I believe. Alright, I'm good. I'm good. Probably my last fish of the day, hybrid. Not had much commentary. It's hard to have commentary when you're just driving around, throwing at everything that moves, hoping something bites it. He dogged the shit out of me though. Hybrid and sunsets. Explain to me how you feeling, mate. Another chunky one. Sweet. I'm gonna get a picture of us holding them in the sunset, and then I'm gonna give you this one and take a picture, both of them, stick them kind of by my hand. Yeah, hold them a little. Beautiful. And
What?
hold that one. Get towards the sunset and smile. Probably we'll check the spots if I don't die. Hold them some bitches out. We work for them. Nice.
That's it. It's cold.
Yeah, it's gonna be a cold some bitch. You know, what started out terrible ended up pretty decent.
In the weirdest way possible. But,